Okay, so this is going to be just a very simple scalping course, a guide that a lot of you could use, especially if you are a beginner and just starting off. I'm going to try to make this sweet and simple, and no longer than 10 minutes, guys, to be honest with you. Now, I'm using range bars to trade. I've been using these charts since the inception of when I started trading. Now, if you're using time charts, tick, or volume, that's fine. You got to find your own edge or kind of niche within these markets. But I trade all surrounding supply and demand, but using the range bar charts. Okay, this is very important for me, and the reason why, because people always ask me, Mike, why do you use range bars over time-based charts? Simply put, because they're just cleaner to the eye to me. If you set these charts up, and you'll see for yourself that they are less cluttered, I would say. I like to make my trading as simple as possible without having any means of complexity to it. So visually speaking, if the charts look clean, that's what I'm going to lean more towards. So give it a shot for yourself. Most people who are part of our Discord have actually converted and started using range bar charts. But you have to find what works for you and trade that way. Now, very simply put, the way that I personally, and I actually show or teach within my video or channel here, how I personally trade is I'm always looking at the market to dictate or form a bias of which way is it moving. You have to understand, if the market is trending bullish in one direction, that means that the market is breaking structure to the upside. All right, where it's creating higher highs and higher lows, but it's breaking through, previous highs and creating new structure back to the upside, or making new highs, maybe leaving behind areas of high probability demand. Now, I've talked about those setups and how I trade here on this channel, so please spend some time watching that as well. But it's simply easy, guys. I mean, really, there's nothing complex about it. You just got to look at a higher chart. Start from there, figure out, is the market bullish to the upside and constantly making higher highs, or is breaking and creating new highs and leaving behind areas of, say, demand? If we are reversing to the downside, as we were right here in this area here at the beginning of December, you can then see that we were trending to the downside. So first and foremost, are we trending higher breaking structure or trending lower breaking structure? That's where it all starts with, from a higher base chart. So start with a chart higher based, okay, whether you're trading time, again, range bars, whatever it is. Figure out what the bias is going to be, what the market is doing. And then from there, once you figure that out, then you want to start looking for, your supply or demand zones. Demand meaning that the market is bullish to the upside. Supply zones are going to be when the market is trending to the downside in a leg, or a reversal situation when the market is trending lower, breaking structure, coming to the downside. Now, this right here, we had a reversal situation going on here. The market starts moving lower, making lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower, new lows, and then the market starts to make a bullish momentum push back to the upside, where we got a bit of reversal right here at the bottom in here. So now we're bullish back to the upside. So I'm going to show you basically two areas of interest. Say, for example, like right here, this was a demand zone. This was a demand zone off of today that I was interested in looking at as well, that I did trade, and I posted a video for our elite and ultra elite supporters, the trade breakdown on this particular trade. Now, I marked my zones up, all right, my supply or demand zones, strictly from my higher base chart to start with, okay? Why? They're going to hold more weight. Then I basically move down to a lower base chart using my range bar charts. So if I'm trading the NASDAQ, I'm looking at off the 120 range, what direction is my bias going to be formed on? Which direction is the market trending? Once I do that, then I'm looking for, like right here, the market was bullish to the upside. I'm looking for demand zones, okay? Because we got reversal going on from where the market was bearish back to the upside, momentum trending higher. So I'm looking for a demand setup back to the upside. So I'm going to mark up my higher base chart from there. So first, figure out the direction, okay, off of a higher base chart. Second, once you do that, then you need to start formulating or start identifying those zones, those supply or demand. All right, for this case here, this is an actual demand zone. This is a valid demand zone, okay? I talk about what to look for in means of reversals when the market is moving or shifting from the upside to the downside, and how I actually, determine the reversals in the market. You're typically going to see either at the top where the market is bullish, a reversal where you have a head and shoulder pattern, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, or where you may have an inverted head and shoulder pattern where the market is reversing from the downside back to the upside, where you have a left shoulder inverted, a head and a right shoulder inverted, and then the market is moving higher, okay? So once you figure that out, we're now bullish to the upside. For example, here, this is a valid demand zone right here. Why? Okay, because the market started to reverse back to the upside right here. We got a shoulder, we've got an inverted head, we got another shoulder here. It takes out that high right there, as you can see, making higher highs and higher lows. So you've got to understand the market moves in waves, okay? Either it's trending to the upside, reversing, pushing lower to the downside. So it's moving in waves where it's making either highs and lows as it moves, right? So when it started moving here to the upside, we started making highs, higher lows, new high, higher low. So we're breaking structure higher to the upside here, but we're also taking out areas of structure to the left-hand side. This was a high right here, okay? So when the market started moving higher right there, it took out that high, and it had already created and formed a bullish direction where it was making higher highs and higher lows to the upside. This is a demand area. Demand is just simply put an aggressive area of buying right here to the upside right there, creating this area of demand right here where it broke that area of structure as we were pushing higher. When the market retraces back to this actual area of demand, okay, I'm looking for an opportunity to scalp this on a lower base chart. What I would do then is just scale down to a lower range bar chart or whatever chart that you may use. For me, I'm trading the NASDAQ. I'll move down from my 120 range down to a 24 range. This is a high probability demand zone as well. Why? We have multiple gaps here to the upside. There's an actual gap resting back at the zone, meaning the demand zone, so that makes it a high probability setup. The market comes back to it. It taps into the higher range demand zone. Again, it all starts there. As I move down, waiting for the retracement to the zone in my lower chart, I'm then looking for a demand setup to where I can move with the directional push to the upside or movement, because now the market is shifting to the upside, going long off of a higher range demand zone and a lower range demand zone. So mark up the higher chart, move down to your lower range chart. As the market's retracing to the zone of interest that you have or the level, then look for a demand setup on the lower range chart, okay? Wait for that demand setup to be created. When it pulls back to that newly formed demand zone, look for your opportunity to go long from there. It's all I'm doing, guys, using multi-chart confluence to find opportunities within the market to trade supply and demand. I share this every single day. It's about to the elite and the ultra elite supporters. And if you're interested in becoming one of those members, it's very inexpensive. It's only $6.99 to become an elite member. That's where I go into detail. If you're part of our Discord, which you can join, the link is down below. It's free. You come on to the trading floor channel, okay? I post my trade entries just as well as so many other traders who are part of the channel. Now, I'll then go and break those trades down to all the elite and the ultra elite supporters, giving you a very fine fine-tuned video for each one of the trades I take, and there's tons of those videos there that you can watch to give you, visuals and explanations of these trades, talking about market structure, price action, stop loss placement, profit target areas, why I entered a trade. I give you my full mindset breakdown for every trade that I take, so you get all that video content surrounding the trade breakdowns. That's what has been helping. It's been helping so many people who are part of the community, definitely who are part of the elite and the ultra elite membership. This is all through the YouTube membership program. But again, it's only $6.99 a month. You basically break that down. It's like 24 cents on the day. You receive all my trade breakdown videos, the video playlist, plus a great video surrounding market structure. If you want to become an ultra elite and take it one step up, you receive everything I just discussed, plus my live recorded trading sessions when I post those videos a few times a week, okay? That's where I go into detail, top-down analysis, analyzing the market, talking to you, what I'm looking at, why I took the trades that I do take as you see me engage in those trades during that live recorded trading session, video content that I record and post for the ultra elite supporters. So you receive all the trade breakdown videos, the video playlist, the market structure video, plus all my live recorded trading videos that I create and post for you as well, if you choose to become an ultra elite. So the choice is yours. The link is down in the description portion of the video. Just make sure to click on that link. It's titled the Elite and Ultra Elite Supporter. Link there. Click on that. You'll see 2 or 3 tiers that pop up. That one will say ultra elite. Elite, and the other will say ultra elite. It'll show you the perks and rewards you receive plus the price. Okay, very inexpensive, right? Now, outside of that, if you haven't taken time to become a subscriber here to the channel. It is free. Please make sure to click that sub button as soon as you do. Make sure to click the bell so that you do not miss any of the uploaded content here on the channel. That's the post notification bell. And last but not least, if you have not already, click on that thumbs up button to drop me a like. Please do so on this video right now. I would greatly appreciate it. And I wish everyone moving into the new year as we approach this week here. This is a holiday week, another one we have, rounding out the holidays for the year. But 2026 is around the corner, and I wish everyone a very successful trading year. Even if you're starting off, guys, I really and truly mean it when I say I hope everyone has a successful trading year into 2026. Take care, and I'll see everyone in the next video.